Good morning to all of you. My name is Jay Prakash. I am the in charge of KCL Emerging Coaching Center. Today I would like to tell you about love. I love my job. Do you love your job? I don't think so. But one thing is very much confirmed that if we love our job, then definitely it is a great thing in you. No doubt, I have no any confusion about that. Those who love their job, I think they are great. They become great because why? Do you know? Because they love their job. You can also become great if you love your job. So think about it. What is your job which you love? So do those things which you love it. If you love, then definitely it is yours. What? It is yours. Yeah, no doubt it is yours if you love to do that. If you have enjoy, are you getting enjoy by doing work, by your work? If you have work, then definitely you can get enjoy all your life, and you can earn a lot of money, unlimited money you can earn. But you should love your job. What kind of job you are doing, you must concentrate on these things. Are you getting? If you are not getting, then I will tell again, just do those things which you love. Do those things which you love. To the work. The work which you love. So, I love my job. I love teaching. I love listening. I love speaking. And what about you? Have you ever thought about it? What in you? What in you? Think about it. What is in you? If you understand properly about it, then definitely you can get great things. I think you got some things. If you don't get, then please comment, share and subscribe the channel and tell your answer in comment box. I will check the list and I will also reply your answer. So I request to all of you, love those things which you do. Love those things which you do. You should do those things which you love. Are you getting? Maybe. I don't think so. But if you do, then definitely you can understand it. So, we all are the humans and we all have love. But this love, in which things we have, it is the questions. So think what you have and what you love to do. Do only that things and be continue. Next 10 years, next 20 years, you will get a great result on that things. No doubt, I have no any confusion about it. But you need to give a proper time for that. Proper time every day, every single minute, every day, you can say, not few days, every day. You have to give time for this. So I hope you will understand today. Thank you class, thank you very much.